I often get asked what the difference is between blogs and articles and blog posts on Shopify, and also whether you're better to have separate blogs or a single blog. And it's really up to you, but here are some ideas to help you make that decision. So first of all, a blog is just a collection of articles, or which is sometimes known as blog posts. So for example, this is our news blog, and it's at the moment got two different articles, one called Heading for the Beach This Weekend, and one called New in Store Kites for Kids. And it really depends on the theme that you're using. But typically what there'll be is some sort of image, the ability to have a short excerpt, and then you'll click into it and see the longer blog post or article. An article and a blog post are the same in Shopify. So here is the longer article. And each theme handles it slightly differently, so test out what happens for you. In some cases, the featured image will show on the blog article, but not the blog, on the article, but not the blog summary. In other cases, it's the other way around. But if you have a look in here, how it's set up, this is the post, aka the article. There'll be a title, there'll be a main text area, there'll be a featured image, and there'll be the excerpt. Now, what's the excerpt? The excerpt is the short summary of the post that shows on the actual blog page. So this here is usually what will show on the article page when you click into it in depth. But on the summary page where you see all of the articles in the blog, this is what you'll see. And I've just realized that on the particular blog I'm demonstrating, that's already showing up, so I'll get rid of this. So, okay. Now, the other thing to be aware of is you can change the author. This is how, if you are having multiple blogs, it's where you choose which one you want it to show up in. Right now, we've only got a news blog, and we can tag it. And once again, depending on the theme, different themes will let you filter a blog by different tags. So, for example, I tagged it with stone, and that's the blog that will show up. So one option you have is you'd simply say, and what you'll see up here is it does generate a special link. So one option is if you want to have testimonials as their own link at the top of the page, you can simply tag all your news posts with testimonial if they're a testimonial, and then link to testimonials in your navigation. So it's all in one blog. Or you can separately create a new blog up here, manage blogs, add blog, testimonials, and you could have a separate blog for recipes, for news, for before and afters, you name it, you'll find uses for them. Make a decision about comments. Remember that if you are having comments, you should at least moderate them. Save, okay. And now I can create a blog post, or once again an article, and always remember to make it visible. And you'll see now down here I can choose between testimonials or news. So I'll say testimonials. I'll just add a bit of extra text here. Now, if you've got a long testimonial or a long bit of text in the actual blog post, always remember to add an excerpt, just so you have some control where it's cut off. Upload an image if you like. Make sure you've chosen the you can take it if you want to, once again. So we might say testimonials and toys, and maybe you'd even say it was a fast delivery. testimonial, should you ever need to be able to group by what the testimonial is actually about. And what you'll see now, view. Okay, now what we could do is go into navigation and into whichever list we want it to be in. I'm just going to add it to the home page because this is an example, but you could put it on a drop down, you could put it in the footer. It always takes a while to load when I'm videoing. I'm going to correct the capitalization there because it's annoying me. Apply changes. I'm going to add a new menu item, testimonials. I'll say it's a blog. I want that testimonial add. And say I did actually want to make a point that we offer fast shipping testimonials, fast shipping, I did that. And what I'm going to do is go back to my blogs. Testimonials and where's my shipping one? Fast delivery, there we go. That will give me the link to just see the fast delivery testimonials. So I'm going to copy that link. But I always forget when doing a link is to click on that blue button, add. Okay, and now if I save, what I'm going to see on my website is, first of all, refresh. And now I can see testimonials, so show me all of my testimonials. Now right now we've only got one, so it's only going to show us one, but if we've got more, they'll all show up here. But I can also say, hey, just show us the testimonials that are tagged fast shipping, and that will give it to me here. So that would be a way you could link, or even just send a link as part of your social media. Say, show me all of my recipe blog that's got for celiacs, or show me all of my testimonials that are about shipping, show me all of my news articles that are about Valentine's Day. So that tagging is a way that you can just show or just link to a section of your blog of any sort. Now, hopefully that will help you make a decision about whether you want things to be in a single blog or multiple blogs, and also how to set up your navigation to use them.